Hey everyone, welcome back to our beginner series. Today I'm going to be showcasing another removal method. So this method is called the Baggie method. It's super similar to our removal with our nail spa kit, but this is, on the fly. If you haven't gotten your kit yet, this is a great way to kind of utilize that double boiler method, if you will, and get your nails off in a really speedy time without adding any damage or anything like that to your nail. So like any other removal method, the first thing and probably the most important is that you're going to want to gather all of your supplies. So make sure you have that 100% acetone, your file, again it can be our rugged, refined file, a buffer block or a drill bit, whatever your preference is, just make sure you've got it ready. And then with this, you actually don't need any cotton balls, but you will need a Ziploc baggie and then also a medium-sized bowl and of course some warm water. So with this method, like any other method, you're gonna wanna go in and remove the shine from your nail. So removing the shine from your nail just really goes in and it helps to break the seal from your manicure. It helps get off that first layer of finish gel and it just kind of lets everything get ready and opens up the dip powder for it to be really saturated with that acetone to get the removal process started. Again, pro tip, make sure to file a little bit more after you've gotten that shine filed off just to get everything ready. And so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill your medium-sized bowl up with warm water. And I really want to emphasize that with this method, it's extremely important that you're not using hot or even very warm water, just because with our nail spa kit, you're getting a little bit more of protection and a barrier from the acetone and the warm water. So with that method, you can use a little bit of a warmer method, but if you're just using a Ziploc baggie, it's very thin. Your acetone is going to heat up very quickly, so you wanna make sure that you're being very careful just because acetone is flammable. And so with that, you're gonna wanna fill your bowl up just a little bit, just enough to kind of have the acetone come in contact with the warm water through the baggie, but you don't want to get any water into your acetone because then that'll kind of render it useless. And so now that you've gotten your warm water set up, you're going to want to pour just a little bit of 100% acetone into your Ziploc bag. With this method, you can also add a little bit of coconut oil if you'd like, if you have drier hands or it's winter, it's very cold. Adding a little bit of coconut oil will slow down the process just a little bit because it's kind of diluting the acetone, but it does add a little extra moisture to your hands, so that's a really good pro tip. Also, we're gonna take that plastic bag, pop it into the bowl, and then from there, we're just gonna pop our hands into that bowl, and now you're gonna wanna wait 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, this is when you can kind of take your nails out, kind of, do a little check on them. Do I need to file a little more? Am I good to go? Add a little fresh acetone, anything like that. And then after that, your nails should be ready to go. And then you're ready for a fresh mani. So if you've tried this method or if you've tried our nail spa method, definitely leave us a comment. Let us know which method you like better. If you're having any issues with either method, go ahead, leave us a comment below and we'll, give you guys any troubleshooting tips or anything like that. Removing your nails does not have to be damaging to your nails. It doesn't have to be a whole ordeal. It's very simple, so definitely any comments or any questions, leave them below and we'll get back to you guys. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so that you're not missing any other videos. All right, bye guys.